Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add pictures over videos in iMovie on your iPhone. First, let's go into iMovie. From here I'm going to tap on Create Project, then select Movie, then I'll select this video for instance, then tap on Create Movie at the bottom of the screen. At the moment you can see right here, this is a video, as you can see right there, a screen recording that I had done earlier. Now if I'd like to add a photo to it, I'll simply tap on the plus in the left hand corner, then select photos. Then from here I'll simply go into Twitter and I'll select this photo right here by tapping on it. Then instead of tapping on the plus like you would normally do, you're going to tap on the three dots right beside the plus. And from there, you're going to select picture in picture. You're going to tap on that. And you can see it right there. It drops it right above the video. Now, if you would like to move the picture, you'll simply tap on the picture right above the video right here. And from here, you can simply drag it into any position you'd like, or by tapping on it, you will see some options in the top right hand corner. If you tap on the compass icon right here, the second option, you can drag the position and pinch to resize, as you can see right here. So let's say you want it in the top right hand corner of your video, you'll simply drag it right there. Then you can use your fingers to resize it, pinch it to resize it. Or if you would like it bigger, for instance, I want it bigger, you can carry it bigger also. Then you can also tap on the option right above that to zoom in. So you can zoom in on the picture. And after you have selected the part that you would like, you simply tap on the rectangle right below that, and that's it. Again, you'll tap on the middle option and drag into position, as you can see right there. That's it. That's how to add a picture over your video on iMovie, and then you can scroll down and you can add other pictures over it, as you can see right here, wherever you would like to add the picture. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.